Nature serves our community extremely well. If there are a few things that I would like nature to do even more, is to promote our ideals of equality, diversity and inclusion, and of course openness.
It would be great to see better gender, female representation through all of its commentaries and authorship. It would be better to have open source as much as possible so that we can communicate freely to the public and to those interested citizen scientists.
Nature can support researchers by advocating for and continuing to support some of the positive changes that are happening in terms of the way in which we work and our research culture. Things like the move towards increasingly team science, the changes to authorship and contributorship that flow from that, and the increasing use of open research practices, the use of preprints, data sharing, pre-registration of study protocols, and so on.
So the area that nature can really help with is reproducibility. So publishing is one thing, but having a wider range of data, code and access to enable other scientists and readers to interact with that information, I think is one of the things that nature can really facilitate in the future. And of course, I would love you to publish more on global health.
Nature could help scientific researchers by publishing more technical checklists in order to guide authors. This was done a few years ago in the field of solar cells, but many other fields of research also require this urgently.
It's really difficult to gain scientific funding in your early career. So maybe it would be really good if Nature could team up with some of the scientific funding bodies to help young investigators write successful grants and help them gain money to launch their labs at the beginning of their careers.
I think nature has a responsibility to contribute in our society, and you need to think of a way how you can have a better impact in our schools and how we can make students interested and motivated to study a very recent science that are published in journals.
Maybe there is need for more engagement, so nature could do more than just publish papers and try to engage with researchers to help them do better research before they publish, and even after they publish, maybe try to work with them to see how research results could be better utilized.
With nature's forward-looking and progressive approach, I trust that they will continually work to improve global research, such as highlighting research from parts of the world that remain largely unrepresented, such as Africa. Science must move with the times.
I wish nature continuous success, keep up the high standards for reproducible, genuine and transformative research for many years to come.